बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। PMS जनरल नॉलेज पेपर PMS पंजाब का 2012 का जो इसमें MCQs आए थे, उनमें जो पहला था, विच आर्टिकल ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन 1973 ऑफ इस्लामिक रिपब्लिक पाकिस्तान prohibits all forms of slavery, forced labor and child labor. 11th article of 1973 Constitution. Under the Factories Act 1934, no adult employee defined as a worker who has completed his or her 18th year of age can be required or permitted to work in any establishment in excess of 9 hours a day and 48 hours a week. Servile is the opposite of haughty. In the election of President of United States of America, the largest number of members of the Electoral College are elected from the state of California. Out of the following, the largest ethnic group by population without having a state of its own is Uyghurs. The first president of Palestinian Authority Yasir Arafat died on 11th of November 2004. Which vitamin is provided sunlight to the body is vitamin D. The imaginary line of 0 degree longitude which passes through Greenwich is called meridian. Next, the famous book of East of Eden is the work of John Steinbeck. Bastille Day is the commemoration of the storming of Bastille Fortress prison, which was seen as a symbol of the revolutionary uprising in France. Sui generis is a Latin term for unique. The Strait of Hormuz fall between Iran, Oman and United Arab Emirates. Rand is the currency of South Africa. The number of working children according to ILO estimates in developing countries is 250 million. Which of the following statements is false? The conventions of the Constitution are building political rules which are not enforceable in the courts. 16th. Which of the following statements is false? The legislative function is inferior to the judicial function of the government. In laws, the principle restitution in integrum means restoration to the original condition. Southern Cross, which is a constellation found in the southern region of the night sky, consists mainly of none of these. Sylhet district at the time of partition was a part of province of Assam. Eunuphionus is the opposite of strident. Yangtze River does not pass through which of the country? Mongolia, Thailand, Taiwan, all of these. Yangtze River does not pass through all of the countries. The Inca civilization flourished in South America. The largest city by population in the Great Lakes region is Chicago. Chicago. An ordinary mobile phone communicates by using radio waves. Indices at Tokyo are known by their popular name of Nikkei. NUT is both of these, a sum of money received on a regular basis as one of the series of fixed payments, and a financial product designed to pay out a stream of payments to the holder at a later point in time. Hobson's choice, giving no choice at all. The phenomenon of Arab Spring was sparked by the self-immolation of Muhammad Bouaziz, a fruit seller in Tunisia. The hurricane in October 2012, which caused widespread damage in eastern seaboard states of the USA, is Sandy. A voucher may be a payment bill. Kyoto Protocol talks about pollution, environmental pollution. What was the name of Libyan king deposed by Colonel Gaddafi in 1969? King Idris, who said, "Where wealth accumulates, men decay." Winston Churchill. Baikal Lake is situated in Russia. What is meant by laissez-faire? Non-interference of government in economic affairs. The Arab League was formed in Cairo. The agreement which provided for territorial allocation is inspired by Western influence in the Middle East. In case of breakup of Ottoman Empire is known as Cycus-Picot. The country having the highest GDP in the world as Luxembourg. Brazuca is the name of the official match ball of FIFA World Cup 2014. For how many years did Nelson Mandela remain in prison? 27 years. When the stock market is going down, it is called bearish. Decibel is unit used for intensity of sound. The element required for solar energy conversion is silicon. A change in an individual's behavior promoted by information and experience refers to which of the following concept learning? Which of the following approaches says that ethical issues should be judged on the basis of some universal code? Ethical skepticism. Literally, the word ethics stands for understanding human nature. The mental act, condition, or habit of placing trust or confidence in another shows which of the following options? Belief. The hottest planet is Venus. Dash point arises when when you use the address of an object after its lifetime is over. Smart. Which of the following events occurred first in history? American War of Independence. The famous painting Sunflower was done by Van Gogh. Economic crisis of 1930s originated in United States of America. The headquarters of APEC that stands for Asia Pacific Economic Cooperation is in Singapore. Which country is included in Horn of Africa? Somalia. ASEAN was formed in 1967. Which of the following countries is located in the Levant region? Syria. Thomas Cup is given in the game of badminton. What is the length of Great Wall of China? 3400 kilometers. Who is called the father of French Revolution? Rousseau. Divine Comedy was written by Dante. Which one of the following scientists known as father of astronomy? Copernicus. In French, the Bastille Day is celebrated on 14th of July. The Switling Cup is related to the game of table tennis. In 1774, oxygen was discovered by Priestley. In the history of world, the Old Stone Age is also called by the name of Paleolithic period. Pedagogy is the art of teaching, the study of teaching. 1 megabyte equals to 10 lakh 1 million bytes. Maple leaf is the national emblem of Canada. Wheel is a symbol of progress. Which of the following countries' parliament is called diet? Japan. Who invented bicycle? Carl Davy. What is the total area of Australia? 7.687 thousand square kilometers. 7,68,000 76,87,000 square kilometers. Where the following is Baltic state? Estonia. What is meant by equinox? Day and night are equal. Which sea is located in central area? Aral Sea. What is viticulture? Cultivation of grapes. Windows Tears is the name of lake. Kalahari Desert is located in Botswana. The author of New Deal was President Roosevelt. The currency of Portugal is euro. What is the Parliament of Denmark? Folketing. The first Asian Secretary General of United Nations was Ru Thant. The headquarters of EFTA is in Geneva. Bread for World Institute, which focuses on problems of poverty and hunger in the world, is based on Washington. ANSA is the news agency of Italy. Aeroflot is the airline of Russia. Tegel is the international airport of Germany. Broadway Street of USA is famous for cinemas halls. What is the new name of Leningrad? Saint Petersburg. Which country is called cockpit of Europe? Belgium. Which city is called the land of seven hills? Rome. Which is the highest military award of Italy? Medal of Valor. Football World Cup 2020 was won by Spain. In human body, flat bones are found in chest. If there were no atmosphere, what would be the color of the sky? Black. Contours are lines connecting planes having equal height. On sweetest songs, our sweetest song are those that tell our saddest thoughts. These words are attributed by Shelley, who created the famous character of Dracula, Bram Stoker. White goods are durable consumption goods. America's Cup is associated with which of the following sports? Yachting, yachting,